Here, you need a lighter?
There's a lighter.
Here's a good one.
Nice.
Everybody's got a lighter.
Oh God! Ah!
I know.
It was upside down.
Seth's got a
The
video.
wick was on top, and I just dropped it in.
The bulb.
No more.
Oh,
I think the
done?
tube's gone.
Oh, wow, the tube is gone?
I think so.
You can dig a hole.
Is it still good?
You tell me.
My ears.
Yeah, we got this. Ow, it's hot.
Yeah, you can dig a
I'm in
hole
Smyrna
and reuse
right now,
that
so-
tube if you want.
That's what I want.
Yeah, you can dig a hole and reuse that tube.
I'm thinking I don't even need a hole.
That way.
I was thinking right, huh? Yeah, this way, cause it.
You're supposed to
It-
light it.
Oh,
That
okay.
way.
All right.
But yeah, you want to. You definitely want to get it in deep enough so it doesn't fall over.
All nice and deep like.
Yes.
When I didn't see it
That should be good. All right, Morgan.
You want to
Let's try this again.
All right.